This is how to create a presentation in NotebookLM. From your NotebookLM dashboard, create a new notebook. Then add resource or resources. For this example, I will add a link. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Then I'll paste it here. And I'll just click this icon here. Then on the studio panel, you can see here slide deck. Just click this icon right here. Then you can choose a format, detailed deck or presenter slides. You can choose language and the length and create a prompt. For instance, create a 10 slide presentation based from the resource. And just click generate. And it is generating, and wait for a few minutes for this to finish. Okay, so our presentation has been created, and you can view this one by clicking this result right here, and you can expand the viewer to see your presentation. So this is how to create a presentation in NotebookLM.